This is my favorite time to ride, right before it storms. That's sick. What is that? That's an R8. I'm finally getting comfortable with this bike. Getting comfortable picking the front up now. Woo! It might rain. I know for sure that was only a couple inches off the ground, but I've been on the bike for a few months now. I'm finally starting to get comfy with it. Yes! Yes! I'm so hyped! Oh my gosh, dude! I'm gonna get in so much trouble now. Definitely gotta learn to be lighter on the bars when it comes up. I gotta get used to it coming up higher now. Is a CB, I could just like yeet up and then set back down. But this, it feels so different. Man, this is my favorite time to ride. Right before it's about to storm. There's just something about the air, man. It just... Take your time, man. Take your time. I messed with my camera settings, so hopefully you can see more at night now. I have no idea where I'm at right now. It's all too common in my latest videos. I just keep getting lost over and over again. It's just gonna happen until I get the area down. I'm gonna try something. When is it actually supposed to rain? Like, is it gonna rain soon? It's been cloudy all day long, but I don't actually know when it's supposed to rain. I took off the wrong glove. It's supposed to rain at 10 p.m. It's a lie. Oklahoma weather always be lying. It's always a lie. You never know. I also notice in some of my videos when I'm going fast, when I'm going the speed limit, I'm here, right? Like my left hand is here, and then I'm always reaching over and hitting my turn signal. Stop! I think it's just a bad habit I developed as a cause of like not wanting to get caught leaving my turn signal on. So now I'm just super paranoid.
The next day...